Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover Your Style, the ultimate guide to personal fashion. I'm Anastasia Sorkin, and today we're wrapping up this incredible series by talking about seasonal dressing. How to seamlessly transition your wardrobe as the weather changes without changing your entire closet. We'll cover layering tricks, how to repurpose your basics, and tips for storing out-of-season items. Plus, we'll discuss sustainable ways to keep your wardrobe versatile all year round. Let's dive into the final episode. Seasonal dressing is all about making your wardrobe work for you all year round. Instead of creating separate wardrobes for each season, the key is to invest in versatile pieces and use layering to adopt your favorite outfits as the weather changes. This approach is not only saves you money, but also helps reduce waste. Another win for sustainability. Let's start by building a foundation of key pieces that work across seasons. Here are the essentials every wardrobe needs. Layering is your best friend of seasonal transitions. Invest in items like lightweight turtlenecks for layering under dresses or sweaters, cardigans and blazers that add warmth without bulk, neutral tank tops and camisoles for layering under the jacket, a trench coat, oversized denim jacket, or lightweight puffer are perfect for in-between seasons. These pieces keep you warm on cooler days, but aren't too heavy for mild weather. Neutral ankle boots, loafers, and sneakers are great year-round options. Swap sandals for boots in cooler weather and vice versa when it gets warmer. Scarves, hats, and gloves are small but impactful items for transitioning your wardrobe. Choose lightweight scarves for spring or fall and thicker ones for winter. Now let's talk about how to adjust your outfits as the seasons change without needing a whole new wardrobe. Don't pack away all your summer clothes. Layer a turtleneck with your summer dress or a chunky sweater with your favorite skirts to make them work in cooler weather. Warm up your outfits for fall or winter by adding earthy tones like burgundy, mustard, or forest green. In spring and summer, brighten your looks with pastels or whites. Transition your wardrobe by swapping lightweight fabrics like linen for cozier textures like wool or velvet. For example, replace a light summer blazer with a tweed jacket in the fall. Footwear and accessories are the easiest way to transition your look. Swap sandals for ankle boots or add cozy scarf to a basic outfit. Seasonal dressing is also a great opportunity to embrace sustainability. Here are a few ways to make your wardrobe transitions more eco-friendly. Instead of cluttering your wardrobe, store your out-of-season clothes in vacuum-sealed bags or storage bins. This keeps your wardrobe manageable while extending the life of your clothes. Repair items that show wear, like replacing buttons or fixing zippers. You can also upcycle old clothes into seasonally appropriate pieces, like turning jeans into shorts or adding patches to jackets. Thrift stores are treasure troves for finding seasonal staples without breaking the bank. Plus, it's a sustainable way to add variety to your wardrobe. Here is your last challenge for this week. Choose 3 summer or winter pieces from your wardrobe and style them for the opposite season using layering, accessories, and footwear. Take photos of your looks and share them on social media using our hashtag #MyStyle. Bonus point if you incorporate sustainable practices like repairing or thrifting. Today we explored how to transition your wardrobe between seasons by layering, repurposing basics, and shop sustainably. Seasonal dressing doesn't have to be complicated. It's about getting creative and maximizing what you already have. This is the last episode of Discover Your Style. Thank you so much for joining me throughout the series. Seasonal dressing is the perfect way to make the most of your wardrobe all year round, while staying stylish and sustainable. I hope today's tips help you to transition your outfits with ease. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your seasonal looks with me using our hashtag #MyStyle. I can't wait to see how you're styling your wardrobe. Until next time, stay stylish and stay true to yourself.